Shafere who's it by fit, it is the boy, the one and only VM. This is like it is another like analyzing video of like Ipagania playing against Obis College. Actually, like it is Obis College playing against the stubborn Pagania. And yeah, man, it was an interesting match around a lie from like the start. It's tempo vele maqala vele game. You as like you all actually caba vele yabo ukuthi like I'm a type of a person vele uthanda like game vele energy vele yabo. So like from the start it was a game like energy, and I didn't see that much like quality difference yabo, as much as like mangayibheka like from the paper vele, from like the way vele into i-hype from like ibhakaniya as ama-signings abawasayinile and stuff. And besides like I'm signing the stuff to play like against like into a team like a brand available a huge that much. So obviously it was like a game which Paris fans I believe was like they expected to go to like Obis College will sit back, and also not even even if like you're not even a Paris fan, if like a generals soccer lover available, and you know obviously Orlando Pirates will expect ukuthi into ukuthi vele they be like on them, and then like Obis College will be sitting back, but like we didn't like experience that today. And like I just like to say congratulations to Obis College to just losing even though they fought. So yeah, man, let me get to the match. On the match, yeah, as I'm saying, like it was like pound for pound. I didn't like see like a difference that much. Obis College created more opportunities, I believe so. On the first half, or like 50% of the opportunities, like into Ipagani available, and then Ipagani had like some opportunities from like opportunity like Tito, and Tito had like two of like opportunities. There was a time actually very Paula from the back. He received a ball, him like being the type of player very yellow well 10 win the ball, and then Azang will connect very well because basically big villain a pants. And then there was this other time it was like it was Ipola like from the left hand side available Baza son, and then you what kind of a opportunities I wanted back then Rana, and if maybe somebody was a pace player who was going to finish well. That's let me see if I'm even recording here. Who was going to finish well about the opportunity there, the attempt there. And then when you are going to the Obis College side, I think they had like their problem is that like from like okay, first of all I just wanna say Obis College has like one of the strongest available like midfielders from like a team available which like is undermining stuff. And as I said again, and ngithanda like ukuncoma abafethu like spirit well, so Obis College it is just on another level. Like bebangakhatha nokukhathala, like, even though like I was like I know there'll be a point where like bazokhathala vele amajita available, but they were just continuing, especially like mabheka like inento each like different. You didn't even need to go to like ubheke like on paper what is right here ukuthi unangayikho umuntu whatsoever, but like ngokubona I was seeing like ubaba like bemizi that and stuff. And to be on that age and like playing with young boys about the energy to be like taking, there was that guy about number 12 available to be running with like about Sibele and like about Apolis, because I think he started on the left as a left back, and then my is the second half I saw him also on with right back position. So like I think he's like he's just a side back available, a mobile very which can play very two off like Amanto. Sites available, which is actually like good. And another crazy thing which like as like a old that much about to be like mobile, which like they are not even substituting you. When they are substituting you are that player ebanikeza like into it depth to ubukhona vele phakathi vele yabo egroundini, which is something you don't need, just find the old class very of his own. And another thing I just want to say which like always college, they just somehow simplify this thing ukuthi yabo when you are talking about like South African football, when you are talking about ibhola like laseka sebhuqwini and stuff, when you are talking about na talent vele yabo, originality vele talent vele yabo from like the start, I believe ukuthi they were just like showing that like what South Africa actually got without like amount or maybe to adopt maybe stala sangale Europe or anything like that, because it was just like fighting spirit. And yeah, Virushikishe vele ibhola ama-10s that in like the midfielder also nayo vele yabo. It was also great. And then like on the second half, Pagania got like most of our opportunities after like the goal. Lele like Oraville OCM and Akona, like they were killed by the keeper. I have to say that they were killed by the keeper. I don't know if like the ground was wet since vele ungathi vele kunodaka lapha, or vele wawa vele ngokwakhe vele ukeeper vele yabo. Vele wawa, the crowd, everything was numb and stuff, because this 2X team, about X team, I'm kidding, but yeah, when like there are a lot of things available, especially as like an opposite fed available. I'm gonna be bringing a lot of things, and I'm gonna be talking about nah in Nanan, but like at the end of the day, available it is South African football, and they are just who they are. And if we are blaming them, why are we not doing it? So we can't just be blaming hey, wara vele. We can just like, I hope you understand. We can just have like little argument and like conflict as like I'm friends about, which is something really interesting, because we don't even see it about overseas or anything. And this just really baller some love of the game. This game. Yeah. So as I was saying, very equal available lila Elcanto. I'll consider vele keep available. I think was good save ukuthi really like washiblik, and then like yabo babulalisile. And yeah, that's great ukuthi like to see like ama-center backs vele akwazi ukuthi vele overlap, not ukuthi ama-center back most of the time they're just like scoring ama-goals from ukuthi like bahead, because that is when like we usually see like ama-goals the center back. It is either makoranga like ngokhera, it is a thing ukuthi like uzothatha like ama-penalties, but like to have like somebody ukuthi like unaleyo smell vele yabo seko, especially as a defender. That is always very beautiful, and I really appreciate it. If we can see more of that available, that will like show different qualities available. And now vele I think you just show like different qualities more than like my center backs available, because I already have like my center back like a comfortable on the ball. You have like already center back like Mark, the likes of like Otilpi, Bumbogas, we have like a lot of like center backs about different qualities. But I believe now if like we have like that center back or good, we want to attack. We center back, we are made to defend, but like just have that like center back which uyakwazi ukuthi like ube defensive midfield thola sinenini yabo. So like boma center playing is like center midfield, we are having like a smell for our goals, but we can't find that at the end of the day because we are a defender. And then yeah, I think it was pretty much it. Simple ways ukuthi explain the match ukuthi mayiqala Obis College, they were having like momentum after the time, and the second half coach made some changes for Pioneer, and then they scored, and then after that they were having more of like the ball, but the combis are still since like in the match where we one need about it was gonna be a run. So yeah, it is pretty much it. My man of the match, I'll give it to that guy who number 12 about who went away Orbit College. But also like I'll take this opportunity to actually like clap like for Unto Tito, where he had like a beautiful game also about, even though he's one of like the criticized players well about Pagania, but he had like a clean game. And then and I think, I'm not sure, I didn't see the man of the match, but I think Uyoyele Waitola or Siema, you never know. We listen to lazy, sometimes just get a man of the match just because well you scored. So yeah, it's pretty much it. By the way, guys, I just like to thank like the support. I really appreciate it. And yeah, let's get to 750 before the end of the month. That will be dope. 7 subscribers remaining. Let's do this thing. Thank you.